214 days, 500 plus deaths. Who is responsible? Lakhs of farmers across India are bitterly opposed to 3 black farm laws passed in the parliament unconstitutionally, because these laws will dismantle price safeguard and leave farmers at the mercy of big corporates. For the last 7 months, our farmers have been protesting at the borders of Delhi during cold winters, during heavy rains, during police attacks. Yet their voices have fallen on deaf ears of the Prime Minister and his government. Our Prime Minister doesn't seem to understand that if the policies and bills are not in farmers' interest, then they are of no use at all. If he really wanted to benefit the farmers, why didn't he had a proper certain discussions with farmer leaders and then jointly make a decision? But he chose to create ruckus in parliament, taking advantage of his majority and bring these black laws unconstitutionally. What he doesn't understand is what he's saying might sound good on paper, but the reality will be far worse. The government had made clear that they will not take the farm laws back. Is this he serving the people of the nation? Or is he just serving the business tycoons? Who will listen to these poor farmers? Narendra Modi is a murderer of democracy and hundreds of farmers who martyred on the protest site.